So I've been figuring out how to try to make my address private, so it's not listed to the public, mainly for privacy issue. So I'm just gonna briefly show you my address is there, and I'll give you my whole address. So log into the FAA website. So I'm gonna open up another link. So you can search Airman Certification Change Eligibility Status. So once you click to login, click online, and then it's gonna take you to the home website, which is over here. So once you log in, so this is how, once you log in from the Airman service login, it's gonna look like this. So in the main menu, this is the main page. So all you do literally is just click on change address visibility and you save. And making it do not allow mailing address to be released to the public will pretty much block out your address from being released. Such as this, for example. If I go right here to Noah Kagan, and it's mainly for privacy issues, and you can see he opted not to release his address. So you gotta give it about roughly 24 to 48 hours, and it will be made private in 24 to 48 hours. Hopefully this helps, because I couldn't figure out how to do this, honestly. Well, after you give it 4 days, typically, that's what I had to wait. You go back and check out, and the address should be opted out. Hopefully this helps, and this is mainly to keep your address private from the public.